Hello everyone, welcome to Dreamers Design. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to choose your own colors. And if you don't want to choose your own colors, I will show you some websites that you can actually find other people's palettes, and let's check it out. So first thing you need to do is choose rectangle tool and make a rectangle at the size of your artboard. After that, make it black. And go to the layers panel. In layers, just simply lock it over there. After that, you're going to make a rectangle. Just make it and make its color whatever you want. I will choose a soft blue because I want my gradient to be in blue and greeny way. Just soft blue, and duplicate it by pressing Alt and clicking on it. So let's put it there. And I want second rectangle to be more yellow and more green, but same softness. And here it is. So I want Illustrator to create a gradient between these two colors. Here's how to do this. Choose both of them and go to Effect. Go to Object, Blend, and Blend Options. Firstly, we're going to make our options. After that, we are going to blend it. So choose spacing to be specified steps. What basically is that? Specified steps just create some steps according to what you want, how much you want. I want it to be I want it to be 6. So click OK. After that, go Object, Blend, and now Make. So as you see, it already made a cool gradient between our two colors. So I want to show you a little bit more how this blending affects to color. So I want to create one more. Just create another rectangle. But this time I want to make more purplish and more dark. And my other color is gonna be about something orange. Not exactly orange, but it has some orange color in it. So, and choose both of them again, but this time you don't have to change blend options. It's already like that, and simply press Make. So as you see, it made this. So let's make another one, and I want to change something on it. So create another rectangle over here and change its color something like turquoise, probably. No, cyan. That is cyan. So duplicate it, and this time choose a soft blue or greenish color, but I want to do opacity around 30%. What this is gonna change is this is gonna drop the opacity step by step in blending. So let's do it. You will see it. Make. As you see, we changed the color, and at the same time we changed opacity. That really can be quick thing in some sort of things you're doing. So these were the 3 things I would like to show you in Adobe Illustrator that you can do your own gradients. And for the people who don't want to make this, I want to show you a cool website that you can actually do your own colors, but without doing like this step by step. and you can actually explore other palettes that people have made, people have exported from other photos, and you can actually export it from a photo. So this website is, you might have noticed, it is Adobe Color. So what does Adobe Color actually do and why this is so good? If you're new in design and you don't know how to choose your color that much, this site might be really helpful for you. In this creating part, you have some settings, creating settings, and let's look at them one by one. I want to just show them what are they doing. In analogous, I think I spelled it correct. If I'm not, sorry for that. You can actually find similar colors from a base and main color, and at the middle, you see here it has a triangle at the bottom, and that means base color. You can actually change the base color. For example, do this, and if you like, if you want other colors based on this, just simply press it and you will find it. This is really cool one. Other one is monochromatic. What monochromatic does is actually finds similar colors with same color, I think. Uh, does something like that. For example, in yellow, we have yellow tones down there, and set as base color, you see, this happens. This is really cool, also cool, I like it. Here's a triad. It is basically a triangle, and it has actually an algorithm that finds suitable colors from your color palette. Another one is complementary, and probably my best one. I generally use this one. Here's why. They are they it chooses the opposite part of the what do you call color palettes? No, I think, but you can understand it. And here's, if you choose this one, you see there are some colors that might have be really suitable for each other. And let's, if you want it, let's we can do it at the later on. We can choose these and make something in Illustrator at the end of the video, and I will actually show you how to import your Adobe colors in Adobe Illustrator or another Adobe apps just by library. Probably you know it. They're split complementary, and they're double split complementary, square, and you see really colorful, cheerful colors, compound, shades, and custom. Just do by yourself if you know how to do it. So at the bottom, you can actually change color mode, RGB or otherwise. So you can name this there. Let's name one, and at the end of the video, we are gonna make it complementary and go choose this. I'm gonna name it tutorial. And if you press save, it saves it on Adobe Cloud. If you are using an Adobe software, or you have Adobe Cloud, if you have had Adobe Cloud membership. So go and explore part. In this part, we can actually see what other people did with their pictures, or how did they made their own palettes. So just type the word you want, and I want it to be soft. I wrote soft, and here's some soft colors that other people have made. And if I like one of them, like this one is really cool, might be using an illustration for vintage scenery. You can actually download them to import them in other softwares like Asset to making pixel art. But you can actually add to library. What happens when you add it to library? That it as you see, it added to library and I can directly use them in Adobe software. So close it. Here are transport. What transport is, as it name, it shows some most used uh, color palettes. My favorite is actually this one here. Yeah, this one is cool too. So this is, I think, enough for this. And here's libraries. And here's my libraries that I've chosen, you see. But in stock templates, you see, the tutorial one I've just created right now. So we're gonna use it in an Adobe software that we're using, Adobe Illustrator. And let's turn back to Illustrator. Let's see how you can use them. So create a rectangle, but this time just duplicate one time, and after that Control D, D and D. Just 5 is enough. There should be a libraries part. If you don't have, go window, and down there's libraries. Click on libraries, and you can actually see that previous palettes I've created. And actually, wait, Adobe stock, change this to Adobe stock. Well, I can see them because I need to restart it, but it's gonna be there. Let me show you quick one. Let's see by this one. Choose it, go eyedropper tool, and choose this. Sorry, choose this one. Choose this one. You don't have to choose eyedropper tool. I'm sorry for that. You can simply press them and it will be imported like that. This is really another cool option that you might have interested in. And the last thing I'm gonna show you in this tutorial is that a app called Color Picker. Color Picker. Sorry. Color. This is really useful for people who are interested in design and does it really every day, because we see some pictures and we see some colors on internet, but there's not an option how to download that palette, or you don't have so much time to import that photo in Adobe Color and then choose the palette. So this is really good app for it. It's what it does is it picks colors from your screen. So let's choose it. Here's an eyedropper tool. It's called pick tool here. And when you drag your mouse to some place, it chooses that color over there. For example, you see, how did you find a yellow color in there? Okay, you see, it chooses the color of text. And if you want it to stay at foreground, always pin to foreground. And here, choose this one. Like, you see, it does this, and you can actually play with colors. You can choose the hex color, and you can see other similar colors to this. You can just look at this and close the other parts. So as I said, this might be really useful for you. And these were the things that I would like to talk about in this tutorial. I hope I helped you a lot. Thanks for watching this. If you want to see more tutorial like this, don't forget to like. And if you have a question, comment down below. So see you later.